everybody.
Yeah.
Hey everybody.
Yeah.
This is Mac.
I'm Patty.
We're Southern Blessed Homestead.
Yep, and we're not at home again.
We're not at home.
Nope.
We're at an undisclosed location.
What is up with us and traveling?
In
I don't
Arkansas. We're in Deep Woods, Arkansas.
Yep.
So anyway, came over here to what?
Hang on, we're going on an adventure.
We came over here to visit some people, and actually we came over here to pick up some pig meat.
Yeah, we bought us half a hog.
Half a hog. We're picking up a half a hog. So we're trying to find them. We don't know where they're at, so we're going to walk around to see if we can't find them, and we'll show y'all who we're visiting.
Yep.
So anyway, you ready? You ready to go find them?
You ready?
Well, let's go. Let's go.
It's a little warm.
Hey, let's go see who these people are.
Look at these beautiful roses. Go through this beautiful tunnel. So pretty. Hey, look, we found a hog.
Oh, hey, look, we found a hog. Is that our hog? Oh, we got to butcher it ourselves? Man, that hog having fun in that water and mud. Look at those pretty roses, aren't they pretty?
Oh!
Man, that hog gonna dig out of there. Mm-hmm. Pretty. Hey, let's ask these people.
Well, come on in. It's a little warm in here.
It is.
Oh my goodness, it's VW Family Farms!
I think your pig's trying to escape.
Yeah, Dan, he's like getting pretty, he's digging a hole out in front of that wire.
They have made a mess.
He fills that water.
Oh yeah, man, they're loving that water. Patty loves this greenhouse.
Yeah.
And what is it, like aquaponics? Or I can't never say it.
It's aquaponics or hydroponics.
Hydro, yeah.
Depending on what you do. One thing's raising it with fish to fertilize everything. The other is you supplement nutrients and add to it. With as hot as it is, all my water evaporating quicker than normal, so that's what I'm doing right now.
Yeah, it's pretty warm in here.
Yeah.
Well, normally it is inside of the
Yeah.
but
Oh, look at the lemons. Look at all the lemons all over their tree.
got lemons?
Yeah.
Lime.
It's loaded down.
Got tomatoes.
Butter.
Wow. Look at the tomatoes.
Look at butter.
And the
Wow, that is cool.
lemons. Yep.
See, when you think about where we live, you don't think about ever having citrus.
Yeah.
It's so tropical here.
Yep.
That's what I like.
Where's the fish?
They all died this winter.
Oh, you hadn't gotten any more yet? Oh.
Got down to
No, we're going.
-8.
Oh, I knew they had died, but I figured you'd just automatically replenish.
No, we was gonna. We talked about it, but
Wow.
we're gonna try a season without them.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah.
Just adding the nutrients.
Okay.
They're actually, it takes some work to take care of them. You got to feed them,
Yeah.
all the things. So we're just kind of on a little break from fish.
If y'all use them as a food source as well, or not? I can't remember.
We didn't know. I guess we fed them as much as some people feed them because ours didn't grow at the rate. I'm comparing myself to somebody else.
Yeah.
Theirs, I'd go over there and theirs was massive. I've got a little automatic fish feeder. That way, just one less chore I had to do.
Yes.
So I guess it may not have put out enough to just really make them grow fast. So
Okay.
that may be something I'll look into, something different next year. His was a lot bigger feeder
Yeah.
that would just drop, almost like a big catfish feeder out in
Wow.
the thing.
Wow.
Yeah, that's and that is on.
Yeah. What you doing, you little puppies? Yeah, who's your puppy? Who's your sweet puppy? Wow, man. Look at a big old onion. Look at that big old onion.
Pepper.
Your garden needs picking.
Yeah.
Do you see her huge onions over there, Patty?
Yeah.
Like size of a softball. Man, that's a beautiful calf. Man, he's like a bodybuilder. Oh. Man, that bull is massive.
That's Miracle's mom.
And one of them has already hatched a bunch of eggs, and she's over on another nest again this year.
Oh, back there in that corner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the bigger ones in there are hers. Those two. And she's a different breed than him and her. She's the black Spanish. I know.
That's my turkey call, my professional turkey call.
She laughed at you.
Yeah. She's laughing at me. Boy, she's like, yeah, she's hunkered down on another nest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hey, hurry up with that gate.
Make you get out next time. It's really stuck. It's really stuck. Of course.
The chain?
Yeah. There we go. Maybe. No, still stuck.
How many VW Family Farm employees does it take to open a gate? 2.
And then we just started beating and jerking. He did fix the camera that way one time. We tried everything and then he was like,
That's funny.
I gotta shut y'all in because the cows can get out.
That's funny.
He's a big baby though.
Yeah. Where the cow.
Hard work.
This is where the cows try to kill them.
Yeah.
Literally.
It is. It's like,
Yeah.
watch your back.
But that right there,
Run, Lane, run!
that right there has made such a difference on working them.
Yeah. Yep.
I can think of around 6 for you.
Yeah. Yep. Hey, do those barrels do pretty good catching water when it rains? Yep.
Now the biggest problem I've got is when they get heavy, those 4x4s bend a little bit.
Oh, yeah.
So I've got some angle iron I'm gonna put on them. To
Man, it's amazing how much the sun has baked that red. Because it's only been out here, what, 2 years? A year?
A year.
And it was beautiful bright red.
Yeah.
And it has
We're gonna
just,
have to repaint it.
man, it has just cooked that paint. I love that, man. That is so cool. I love that. That's an awesome wagon there.
Y'all did a good job.
Yeah. I love to build on the video. That was cool. If you haven't seen that video, go to VW Family Farms.
Yeah.
Cluck Cluck Wagon video.
Yeah. When you walk in the garage, that row. Once we get the chicks in the brooder, we're gonna put it on.
So this was the massive meat chicken pen tractor that y'all would pull around.
Yep.
And it had a cover on it, but of course there's no chickens in it because they went to freezer camp.
And we get 600 more in a week.
Wow, 600 more in a week.
We get to do it all again.
All again.
Yay.
But not y'all. Your employees.
Yeah.
Lane and Emily.
Hopefully. The bossy one and the pretty one. Yeah.
That's funny. Got crawdads over there. Oh yeah. probably didn't see it.
Yeah.
And down there,
Oh,
there's
yeah.
3 of them. The fish are
Oh,
swimming
yeah, there's
by.
like a bunch of little fish and then some crawdads, and I see them. Yeah.
Yeah, I love this
I
creek.
want seasoned onion and garlic in my cow, please.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Could you imagine being able to do that?
They come pre-seasoned? That's what I said when our deer get in our garden, eat our garden, and I shoot them. We have pre-seasoned deer.
Yeah.
It's already pre-seasoned with all of our vegetables and all of our garden eaten.
We used to have deer in our garden terribly, but I think we have so many animals now. Yeah, they've given up on us. Yeah.
Well, Andrea gets shocked.
Stay tuned.
Hey, could you touch it for YouTube for us?
Absolutely don't.
It's for YouTube. It could go viral.
Yeah. But she would, bless her heart.
I had Brett Broussard. I was like, will you cross that bridge? No. I was like, will you do it for YouTube? He was like, okay.
Maybe.
He's like, that's funny.
I smell cows.
Yep, we're close.
Yep.
I smell cow pies.
We need to get some fertilizer while we're here, baby.
I smell cow pies. Hey, look at that. Look at those two right there looking. They're like, hey, what's that? What is that? Yeah.
Then there's, so that's Bella's twin. So I mean, she's easy down here.
Oh, yeah, there's another one.
And then
That's Lane's calf beside it, the pretty one.
Yeah. Is that from Bruce's?
Yes.
Boy, I love the markings he throws on those calves. That is pretty.
that's another one.
Is that the mama right over there on the left with the same color markings?
No.
No, that's a steer that we're going to eat.
Oh, is
That's
it?
the one. His mama is the one with the face.
Oh.
Okay.
That's another steer for this winter.
Yeah, the steers are as big as cows, like that
black white face,
that's a
the
steer.
black one.
Yeah.
Yeah, somebody's in
2
here.
black white faces.
Yeah. For YouTube? Don't be watching.
This is a family channel. Censorship. Boy, that little calf there is just chilling.
Know where the food is.
That little calf right there is loving
Yeah, I
life.
like that one. There's some black and white. I've always been a favorite, black and white.
Yeah. That
So
little,
when Bruce is red and white, brings a black cow.
that little one, man, he's just loving.
So that's
Oh,
why
yeah.
Some of his have turned out red white face because it would be a red cow that he bred. But if he breeds a black cow, it's almost always black white face.
So I know you said this before, but how many total cows do y'all have?
Right now, cows and calves and everything is 133.
Wow. Yeah. That one looks like it's got a brand on the back.
Yeah, it did. There's a few of them out here like that.
So y'all rustling cows too? Because that don't look like a
VW.
VW brand. It's like a D.
Not brand. That's not one job I don't need.
So is that Emily's new job? She goes rustles up?
Yeah.
Rustles
She's gonna brand them.
rustles the cows and wow. Is it okay if I?
Yeah. Ben, is it fine
Wow.
to film in here? It is for me.
Yeah, but you won't want to bring that in here.
Yeah.
Oh no. I'm just going to show it. Wow, look at that. And all that's hog or chickens, everything.
This over here is all chicken. These are people's pickups.
I see some beef back there.
This is your pickup right here.
Wow,
All this is pork that's online for
man.
sale. And like these are our shipping boxes. This
Cool.
is like a chicken shipping box, and we'll pack it the
Wow.
rest of the way full with dry ice.
Oh, that's nice. Yep.
Well, y'all are just like the big seed companies that are doing, y'all are doing good.
Yeah. It went really well.
Oh, let me get out
We
of the
done the
way.
last
Hey, look, it's got our name on there.
Yep.
So we picked up 133 pounds, 131 pounds pork, a side of whole half a pig. And look at the size of this ham. It's just humongous. It is just, that ham is just gigantic. They don't have weights on there, but it is huge. And tons of meat, but look at that bacon. Man, that is some good bacon. Real good bacon. And we got pork sausage, or actually just ground pork. We're gonna make our own sausage with it. And got us some hog jowls, which it looks like bacon. And what is this? Is that the ham hocks?
Neck bone.
Neck bone, something. The label came off of it. I found the label. So anyway, just tons of it, and it is sure good. So if y'all get a chance, go check out their link. I'll put it down in the description. Go check out their website, and they ship it, or you can pick it up local in Arkansas and get you some pork. That's some good stuff, farm raised pork. And they also sell chicken on their site, and beef, and we're supposed to be getting a half a side of beef, I think, come November. So y'all go check them out, get you some good farm raised meat.